It makes sense when you see a large channel make money, right? Like Russell Brunson, who teaches how to build funnels, with 190,000 subscribers, make money. Like Sunny Lenarduzzi, who teaches social media growth with 515k subscribers, make money. And Grant Cardone, who teaches entrepreneurship with 1.53 million subscribers, make money. It makes sense they are making money, right? But what about people like Frank Kern, who makes millions of dollars a year teaching people about the psychology of sales? He only has a channel with 34k subscribers. How is he able to make money? What about people like John Penberthy, who mentored me about how to run successful webinars? He makes millions of dollars a year and he only has 9.49k subscribers. And finally, another one of my mentors who got me started in email marketing, Kyla Kane, who owns his own marketing agency, making also millions of dollars a year. And he, get this, only has 4.39k subscribers. How are these people able to find success on YouTube with such a relatively small channel? Here is the secret. Are you ready? They don't make money from YouTube's partner program. They make money from the targeted traffic they get on YouTube. In other words, they don't wait around to get paid by YouTube, but use the free and organic traffic that's happening on their channel every day. And that is what we will be doing in this course. We don't focus on subscribers, but focus on leveraging the traffic and influence we have on our channel. I bet no one has told you this before, but there are basically two paths you can take when growing on YouTube. The business path. If you have your own products and services for sale, you simply create videos related to those products and services. While you are waiting for those videos to collect views, you drive the free and targeted traffic towards your website and collect email addresses so that you can contact people interested in your niche on your own terms away from YouTube. Once your videos have a good amount of views, you can target those views with ads to sell your products and services. Your ad costs will be low and your conversion rates will be high. Why? Because the viewers are not only targeted traffic who cares about your niche, but they also are warm traffic because they know who you are and trust you. For example, I have a small YouTube channel, and yet you see this video titled How to Grow Instagram Followers During Quarantine. It has over 5k views. During the pandemic, this one video alone made me thousands of dollars per week because I ran ads to whoever watched this video, selling them my Instagram growth course. Now, if you don't have products or services of your own, that's totally fine. The second path you can take on YouTube is the influencer path. You simply make videos that are related to the niche that you are interested in, the affiliate products that you want to eventually sell, all while using the targeted traffic from YouTube to grow your other social media accounts like Instagram. The majority of the money you will be making on YouTube are from commissions from affiliated products, sponsorship deals, or collaborations. For example, a type of video that is always trendy on YouTube is review videos, where you make a short video reviewing a product and service. Whenever you post a video like this, you are building a community that trusts your recommendations, growing both your influence and the value of your opinion. That's why you can charge sponsors a lot of money to promote their products on your channel. For me, I enjoy making fun videos of my travel adventures, and was invited to Peru to document a male beauty pageant. The deal was simple. The organization pays my airfare, my hotel, my meals, and activities for a week. In exchange, I return back to the United States and make a short video about their pageant. Check this out. The video I made for the organization is only 2 minutes and 34 seconds long, and it has gotten 25k views since it was posted 3 years ago. You can see there is a lot of benefits from using and growing on YouTube, and it is not limited by how many subscribers you have. The key is to make money and grow your influence without waiting around for YouTube themselves to pay you. If your goal is to get paid by YouTube directly, you will be waiting and working for literally years before you make a single cent. Why would you ever waste a second of your precious time on such a poor reward? Nobody got time for that. In the next episode, we will wrap up our first week and give you a concrete picture on how we will benefit from YouTube's massive traffic, why our success on the platform is inevitable as long as we follow this proven formula.